Discomfort is making you weak, not violently, not dramatically, but slowly, quietly, almost politely. It removes the sharpness from your mind. It softens your body. It dulls your spirit. And the worst part, you don't even notice it happening. You wake up and reach for your phone before your feet touch the floor. You scroll before you think. You consume before you create. You distract yourself before the day even begins. And then you tell yourself you are tired. But you are not tired. You are overstimulated. You are undisciplined. You are comfortable. Modern life has eliminated almost every natural hardship that once shaped men. You don't have to hunt. You don't have to fight for survival. You don't even have to endure boredom. Everything is instant: food, pleasure, validation, entertainment. And when a man never faces resistance, he never develops strength. The Stoics understood something we have forgotten. A man must voluntarily choose discomfort, because if he does not, life will eventually choose it for him. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The impediment to action advances action. The obstacle is the way, but you avoid obstacles. You avoid cold water. You avoid difficult conversations. You avoid responsibility. You avoid silence. And every time you avoid discomfort, you cast a vote for weakness. Sacred masculinity is not loud. It is not aggressive. It is not performative. It is quiet control. It is the ability to remain steady when chaos surrounds you. It is emotional restraint when anger tempts you. It is discipline when your impulses demand comfort. A sovereign man does not chase pleasure. He builds capacity. Capacity to endure. Capacity to lead. Capacity to remain calm under pressure. But capacity is built in friction. Steel is forged in fire. Character is forged in resistance. You were never initiated into manhood. There was no elder guiding you into responsibility. No trial to test your limits. No moment where you crossed a threshold and understood, I am no longer a boy. Instead, you were given comfort, unlimited distraction, unlimited escape, unlimited avoidance. And now you feel restless, directionless, unsettled, not because you are broken, but because you have never been tested. Deep down, you crave discipline, you crave structure, you crave a standard that demands more from you. This is not toxic, this is not outdated, this is ancient. For thousands of years, men underwent rites of passage, periods of isolation, physical hardship, silence, challenge. Why? Because comfort does not produce strength, challenge does. So if the world will not initiate you, you must initiate yourself. For the next 30 days, wake up without touching your phone. Let your first thoughts belong to you. Take a cold shower. Teach your nervous system that discomfort will not kill you. Train your body, because a weak body weakens the mind. Sit in silence for 10 minutes. No music, no stimulation, just awareness. Read something that strengthens your perspective. Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, Epictetus, and most importantly, do not announce it. Do not perform it. Do not seek applause for it. Discipline does not need witnesses. Comfort is easy. Weakness is easy. Decay is easy. Mastery is not. No one is coming to demand more from you. No one is coming to rescue you from mediocrity. You either build discipline or you dissolve into comfort. One path leads to sovereignty, the other leads to softness. Choose carefully, because every small decision, every morning scroll, every avoided challenge is shaping the man you are becoming.